Hey lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rose. So this video I am pretty much just showing you guys how I transformed my beauty studio. It's where I do all my makeup and my tutorials and reviews and all that good stuff. I am transforming it into my workspace. Well, I'm actually just creating a workspace for my business. And yeah, so this is day one. This is literally like 3-day project because there were still some things that I needed to get done. So right here I'm just putting my soft boxes away. I did push my table all the way to the wall. So before I had it mainly in the center of the right side of the room, and then I just had like all of my lights on one side and then where I would sit on the other side. So I am putting my soft boxes away. I took those down. I pushed my table all the way to the other side of the wall, and I do have my ring light, but I have that propped up on my table, so you guys are going to see that later on in the video. So yeah, I'm pretty much just cleaning and putting things away. I needed a workspace for like creating lip glosses and doing my glitters and stuff like that, and also because I did purchase a Cricut, so I needed space. Like I needed a table. I just needed space because working on my makeup desk, it just was too much. So as you guys see, I was struggling with this table. I actually took this table from work because they were just gonna throw it out, but once it closed, it just did not want to like open up again, so it was like broke. So I did end up ordering a desk from like a folding table from Target, and I spent about $35 and they shipped it the next day. So this is day two. So this is me here. As you guys see, it's a 4-inch table. I mean, not a 4-inch, a 4-foot table. It's a folding table, and I just propped that up because I definitely needed a freaking separate table. And you guys, I was so excited that Target had the next day delivery. So they actually delivered this to my home the next day. It was early in the morning. So I was so happy. I spent $34 on the table, and then I also bought some bins that you guys are gonna see me use, and the bins were like $1, which was bomb because I was gonna go to the dollar store anyway and get some bins for like my glosses and my glitter and stuff. So I'm pretty much just putting the table against the wall, and I made sure I cleaned it and everything, and then you guys are gonna see like me put stuff up and everything like that. So I'll come when there's something else to talk about. So once I pretty much organized everything into the bins that I needed to put them in, I did go in with my Dymo label, as you guys can see, and I just started labeling the boxes. Oh my god, I can't talk today. I started labeling the boxes so that I knew exactly what was in them, and I did leave them on this table at first. Because I did have a shelf that was downstairs in a closet, and what I did was I just brought it upstairs, but I had to wait for my brother to bring it upstairs, well, to help me bring it up the steps, because it was super heavy. It's like it has glass shelves and everything. So you guys are gonna see in the next clip, which is like day 3, when we finally got the shelf upstairs and I finally got some other stuff. So you guys are gonna see that I was like just moving everything over. So So now you guys see the little desk, and you also can see my makeup filming desk as well, where I have my ring light at. It actually works really good there. But yeah, I was just pretty much adding everything. And you guys, I am going to talk about like the oils and the lip gloss base and other things that I got in my haul video, which will be uploaded after this one. So make sure you guys are subscribed and turn on the post notifications so you get notified every time I do upload a video. But yeah, it's pretty much it. And then I'm just going to give you guys like a little tour or whatnot of the room. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this, you know, me revamping my workspace and whatnot. And make sure you guys are following Velez Beauty on Instagram and on Twitter. I'll have a link down below for you guys, and my personal makeup page on Instagram and Twitter and TikTok. Everything will be listed down below for you guys. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.